I appreciate you coming out to the Old Capital Speaker Series. What's some of the big takeaways from tonight?
Well, I think the big takeaways that I picked up is it's really right in this situation is a passive. I've been building up my capital, and I think I'm gonna wait till I look and see some opportunity come up, and I'm gonna grab it if it's with a good lead. So anyways, you know, the biggest takeaway is have patience. If it isn't in your favor, don't do it, and don't get into anything where the interest rate's higher than the cap rate. If that's
so negative leverage.
That's it.
No negative leverage.
Don't be doing that stuff, man. It's dangerous, you know. And I've got myself one like a dum-dum. Anyways, hey, we'll work our way through it. If that's one out of only 50, I'm gonna be all right, you know. So
that's how you learn, right? You put some money down, you figure it out real quick.
Yeah, I went and told the lead, and she went, "What? We're gonna make it." But life's good, and glad to have these meetings here. And it's so educational, and you do a great job on that YouTube. I mean, you're on there. Hell, I learned something, or I pick it up if I got a little time to waste. Man, you're in there talking about something new and what's going on. I thought, way to go, man! You're like, you know, you're the doctor is right, man. All right, keep it up, man.
Well, I appreciate it. What would be your #1 tip for a passive investor right now?
The #1 tip is be patient. Be patient and don't be in a rush. And now that this is a lifetime investment that we're working on, and it's just you're going to stick with it, and there's going to be more opportunities coming up, and you will make more money in real estate than we can make in the stock market and any other thing that I can think of right now. So anyways, just have patience.
Well, we appreciate you coming out, Leo.
Thank you very much. Keep up the good work, brother.